The Senate Committee on Basic Education discussed rising adolescent pregnancies and the controversial Comprehensive Sexuality Education or CSE program. Senator Sherwin Gatchalian raised concerns about confusion in its implementation, while Senator Risa Ontiveros questioned DepEd about inappropriate content in the curriculum, which the Education Department denied. For its part, the Department of Health, or DOH, shared statistics showing a slight rise in adolescent births and highlighted the risks of early sexual activity with young people engaging in such activity at an average age of 16.
Yun pong ating mga kabataan na maagang makipagtalik ay mas mataas ang risky behavior at mas nahihirapan na kumuha ng mga HIV-related services. Makikita po sa datos natin na on average, yung ating pong mga young key populations for HIV, sila po ay nakipagtalik nung sila ay 16 years old. At una po silang gumamit ng condom on average nung sila po ay nasa 17 years old. Kung bakit po, yun po yung mga kailangan natin tingnan.